In this episode, major Australian investment firm moves from gold to Bitcoin, and we're going to take a look from this chart how Bitcoin and gold was extremely correlated, and now it's absolutely decoupling, as you can see here on the chart. We'll be going through this in today's episode, and no debate that Bitcoin will increase 20x, says Gold Industry Insider, and Fidelity executive says investment giant will support Ethereum, launch Bitcoin and crypto trading services for retail clients. We'll be talking about this in today's episode, guys, so stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Census, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial market. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the video. We won't be doing any technical analysis in today's video, but at the end of the episode, we'll be going through the charts just to see where the Bitcoin price is currently at. We'll be talking about this incredible news. Major Australian investment firm moves from gold to Bitcoin. $1 billion Australian investment management firm has gotten into Bitcoin, citing that the cryptocurrency is superior to gold. Many of the firm's clients have been asking about investing in Bitcoin. We have been positioning in gold for our clients for many years now. Now we're doing it with Bitcoin, said the executive of the firm. Australian investment management company Pendal Group has started investing in Bitcoin through futures contract on the Chicago Exchange. Pendal is a global investment management company listed on the Australian Stock Exchange under the symbol PDL. Its market capitalization is currently $1.6 billion. Large institutions have stayed away so far, but high net worth clients and wholesale investors are leading the charge. All the big hitters in the hedge fund world are coming out to endorse Bitcoin now. It is entering the realm of the mainstream. Among famed billionaire investors who have endorsed Bitcoin one way or another are Paul Tudor Jones, Bill Miller, and Stan Druckenmiller. We've been talking about these guys before in the channel. They're extremely famous billionaires and they know what they're talking about. Jones recently said he sees a massive upside to Bitcoin, comparing the cryptocurrency to investing in early tech stocks such as Apple. Miller believes that eventually all major banks, investment banks, and high net worth firms will have exposure to Bitcoin, while Druckenmiller said the cryptocurrency could beat gold. And taking a look here at the Australian firm that said, we think ultimately that government bonds will turn into a dead asset class, so we now have to imagine what it will be like for other asset classes when bonds are no longer relevant to hold in a portfolio. And because of this news, we'll be having a quick look at the gold and Bitcoin chart combined, because they've had extreme correlation for months together. Look at March, April, May, June, July from this year. It looks like they've been holding hands and walking together during for months. And suddenly at the beginning of October, Bitcoin has just gone through the roof while gold has had a little pullback. So is this the actual decoupling from Bitcoin and gold? As you can see here in the chart in the green, this is extreme correlation, and suddenly here in the red and November, they're just taking the separate way. Guys, no debate that Bitcoin will increase 20x, says Gold Industry Insider. In the next 5 years, I can see gold at $4,000, so that's double. But if gold is at $4,000, Bitcoin is probably somewhere between $300,000 and $500,000. Tapiro believes that institutional investors and finance whales are likely to invest between 5 and 15% of their portfolio in Bitcoin, and noted that the sector was currently worth $100 trillion. He says that's a huge chunk. I mean, 15% of $100 trillion is $15 trillion. And this is a very likely scenario to happen. Billionaires, institutions, they like to diversify their portfolio, and 5 to 15% is very fair, and they're going to realize that Bitcoin is the safest network in planet Earth, and it's a fixed supply, so they're going to use it as a hedge against inflation. Fidelity executive says investment giant will support Ethereum, launch Bitcoin and crypto trading services for retail clients. The head of sales and marketing at Fidelity Digital Assets says Fidelity will expand its crypto offering in the future. The big question is when. Sandler says the investment giant, which currently offers Bitcoin investment services to institutional clients, is consistently analyzing the retail sector. When asked if Fidelity will serve retail clients, Sandler called such a launch inevitable. And if you're not familiar with Fidelity, it's an investment firm and they currently have about $3 billion under their management. So this is incredibly bullish news for Bitcoin. And checking out the price, we can see that we are in this huge channel here that we've formed for weeks now. We're currently bouncing off this resistance from this symmetrical triangle. The price is at $18,964 by the time of this video. So I think it's time, if we had a nice retracement, it would be nice to stack up some more Satoshis. But there is probably a chance that we break 20k, which is the all-time high, and after that, guys, there's no more coming back down to 16,000, 17,000. Just forget about that. So if you got time, just stack up some more Bitcoin, because once we break 20,000, then that is it. It's off to the moon. Guys, feel free to check out the Bitcoin Sensors website. We've got incredible tutorials how to buy Bitcoin, how to store Bitcoin, and even how to trade Bitcoin. We've got different exchanges here on the website. You've got incredible bonuses. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. If you've liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe, and thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.